Today, let's take a look at several common valves used in chemical production. So, let's get started. The four types of valves shown here are the most common shut-off valves in the chemical industry. Their main function is to connect and disconnect the flow of media within a pipeline. Although some of them can be used to regulate the flow rate, we cannot use them entirely as regulating valves. First, the ball valve. This is a very versatile valve. Developed from the plug valve, it opens and closes by rotating the central ball within the valve body. It features flexible operation, a small size, lightweight, low fluid resistance, and effective sealing. Ball valves are divided into floating and trunnion-mounted types. The main difference lies in the way the central ball is supported. A floating ball valve. The ball has no support shaft at the bottom. It is supported by the two valve seats. When operating under pressure, the ball will shift slightly toward the outlet seat. If the pressure is too high, it will accelerate the wear on the sealing surface. A trunnion-mounted ball valve. The ball is fixed by upper and lower stems, and the other end of the stem is connected to a bearing. When under pressure, the ball will not shift. The bearing takes the force, so the pressure on the sealing surface of the seat is not high. The internal structure of a trunnion-mounted valve is more complex, and its price is also relatively high. Floating ball valves are generally used for pipelines up to DN200 in low to medium pressure applications. For high pressure, large diameter pipelines, a trunnion-mounted ball valve would be selected. Although ball valves can provide some flow regulation during use, it is generally not recommended to use standard ball valves for regulating flow. Keeping a ball valve in a partially open state for an extended period will greatly reduce its service life. The impact of the media will damage the edge of the ball's bore and the valve seat's sealing surface, causing internal leakage.